well, the package is here. So let's open it up and let's see what it looks like. Now, I will say, for $200 off and for the description that the box was messed up on the Amazon listing, I expected for it to be much more damage missed to this box. I mean, the box isn't perfect by any means necessary, and like, other than this part right here, like, I really don't see any issues. It's like it might have been a return. It was definitely a return. So let's hope that the person just ordered the wrong thing and not that it's some BS. But this box was definitely returned. It said that the box had damage. I think this was more of a return than the box having damage. And I honestly don't know how to, other than having the car here, I don't know how to prove that he's fit for car. But the slotting pins haven't been opened. This caliper has been opened. The brake pads, oh, it slides out the box. Brake pads look good. Never been mounted. And the caliper looks like. If anybody wondering, this is the part number for the box Chevy brake pads. But they should be, I read that they should be, they should take the factory style brake pads. Alright, so let's check this out. My bad. And here we go. So this was the box that was opened. And like I said, the factory is a 1 piston and these are a 2 piston. I got the black, I didn't want the reds. But you can tell that they don't look perfect. They got some scuff marks and stuff to them. I don't know if that's somebody mounted them and tightened them down. The little chip in the powder coat. Maybe they mounted them up and then something wasn't right. But maybe that's how they come from the factory. I don't know. So yeah, this one looks good. So I'm gonna put this one down, put it back in the box, and then open up that one. So I'll be right back. I don't want to drop it. So yeah, from my end, everything's perfect. And this one looks the exact same way. So maybe they were never mounted, but the other one was removed because the slide pins are in this box where they were not in the box. The other set was not in the box. So maybe somebody ordered them and then they just were not the correct one for the car they ordered and they returned it. I've seen the red ones go for like $3.91 or something like that. But as far as the black ones go, they seem to not go as cheap as the red ones. Probably because they're less popular. They are complete, it looks like. I'm gonna try to get to the Caprice and make sure they actually fit before the return date. That way I can return them if needed. But I am going to order the rear disc conversion kit as well. So I'll have dual piston front calipers, and then I'm gonna go from the drums to disc on the rear, so the car should stop pretty good. So yeah, do we have a part number on here? If not, I will put, oh yeah, there it is right there. So there's the part number for the brake kit, and it takes the stock style rotors and the stock style pads. It just gives you one more piston, one more brake piston. And if you want the red, instead of the BK, put in R, and that'll give you the red ones. But I'm not a big fan of the red, so got the black. So yeah, like everything you do, think, build, enjoy, follow along, subscribe, share, follow your box Caprice lovers. See y'all later. Peace.